Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my mother would lift me high, and then spin my father and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs she would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with her, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my mother again. Yeah. When I'm a mother who teaches the queen, to get my way I would run from her to him. She'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later tonight when I was asleep, she left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that she would be gone from me. If I could see one final glance, one final step, one final dance with her, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my mother again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I hear how mama crying for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much, too much, but could you send the only girl we loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, we're dying to dance with my mother again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream. I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, we're dying to dance with our mother again. manipot pa'y naipas ngaya. Gapu kaniya naglagam ka tiyadu ariga. Nanang adu arigat mo gapu kaniya. Ingana itan tadi makela iti adu apanawe tawen naglabas. Surukon di aglayas. Adu abisyo tindak napadas. Gaput kinapaidam nigasat kanya. Itan napanunod ko di agbabawi. Dimten di oras iti panagsuli. Sidumbo nanang ko ina agumbi. Awan kameten iti panagsubli. Apay Diyos kastoy gasanto sublim kaniya tinadungo ang nanang ko. Sumangpet ka kadin ala. Taawan pangidas ilag iti problema. Kastoy gayam ti awan inana. Adu aladingi hinang masagra. Itan napanunod ko di agbabawi. Dimten ti oras iti panagsubli. Sidong kaniya tinadungo ananan ko kasubling kaniya tinadungo